I'm trapped in your mind, girl. Just holding back. I don't want that.
Why is that out of focus? What's up guys, it's TheSavvyCat. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then welcome to my channel. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. So, it's midnight, so I apologize for the crappy lighting. I usually film in front of the window, but you know, it's nighttime, so I can't do that. Today I'm going to be attempting to follow a Jeffree Star makeup tutorial. If you want to see me fail miserably, then keep on watching. Just a little disclaimer before we jump into the video. I'm not rich, so a lot of the products he uses I don't have. So yeah, let's go.
I also found one by La Mer, which this brand is one of my favorite skincare brands ever, and I didn't even know that.
So I don't have the La Mer foundation.
And I've mixed it with my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, which is my #1 go-to.
And I don't have that one either.
So I decided to swap out Dior and try La Mer, and now this one is a little darker, so when I mixed it, it kind of gives me a nice little like summer glow.
I don't have either of those foundations, but what I do have is the Dior Forever, I think it's Forever Perfect? Yeah, Forever Perfect. I love this foundation, so I'm gonna use that instead. So we're gonna follow this like to a T, so I usually use way more than 3, because I gotta cake this face on, like, I'm literally a potato. So, 1, 2, 3. Well, technically 4. I usually don't use this side. I know you're supposed to, but I always use the pointy side, so RIP. And he didn't prime, so I'm just not gonna prime either. My life is a mess. That literally works so much better. What have I been doing my entire life? And 4 pumps is not gonna cover this monstrosity of a face. You're just gonna have to deal with it. So bad. I need like 20 pumps. Enough trying to salvage that. I don't think that's salvageable. Let's move on to the next step.
Alright, we are buffed and blended to perfection, so let's grab some concealer. So just grab any concealer that's really light. I love to be really fair under the eyes. It just, you know, really brightens and opens you up. So I'm gonna try this Chanel concealer today.
I don't have that one. I have the Shape Tape.
And do like an upside down triangle motion.
Let's do a upside down triangle. Never do my face before my eyes, so I'm just like, this is so backwards for me. The triangle, cake it all on, make up for the foundation that didn't cover this monstrosity. Stupid ads.
Alright, now I'm gonna take my MAC Shivering White Studio Fix and highlight these damn under eyes.
I used to have the MAC powder foundation, and I got it when I was like 16, and I just recently threw it away because I was like holding on to every little thing that I had left in it. Like, it was in crumbles and I was still trying to use it, and finally I was like, why am I doing this to myself? Like, throw it away, it's gone.
But I'm ready to get to contouring. You guys know Kat Von D's Shade and Light Contour Palette. Best formula right now on the market. I'm just gonna dip into this shade, and what kind of cheekbones do I want today? I think I'm just gonna do something really kind of soft and subtle.
Don't have that one, but what I do have is the, honestly I forgot the name of this, it was the limited edition for the Pirates of the Caribbean by Rock, and I love it, and I recently hit the pan. Sorry, I just blinded you guys. I just recently hit the pan and I'm so sad. I'm trying to contour this blob. Does he contour his chin? Probably not. Let's just shave off like 30 pounds real quick.
It's gorgeous. First of all, these pan sizes are everything. Look at my hand. I'm like, hi pans. I'm gonna dip into Moonstone right now, and then I might dab a little bit of Summer on top. Now I'm just gonna merge this right where my contour and...
I don't have that one either. I mean, are we surprised at this point? So I'm just gonna go back in with this one. I don't have a highlighting brush, so we're gonna do what we do on this channel and use an eyeshadow brush. Life hacks.
Now that we are highlighted, let's draw on some brows real quick off camera, and I'll be right back.
I do have the Modern Renaissance. Yay. I did a little splurge. Long time ago.
What's more pretty? The colors are so cool. Anything shiny, you guys, I'm like a bird. I just gravitate to it. I opened this palette and I was like,
I was using a flat finish. And orange. He's doing it all over the lid. This is slowly turning into the Great Value version of a Jeffree Star makeup tutorial. Maybe that's what I'll do it. Let's try to make it look good. It looks terrible, but you know, we're gonna try.
Take a little MAC blending brush. We're gonna dip into burnt orange, and we are going to blend this shade out, and I'm just gonna add that right on top. Out the transition color, we're going to be using tempera, and I'm just gonna blend and buff out what's going on here. We're going to be using a little MAC 217. I'm going to be dipping into Cypress Umber, and it is like this beautiful dark chocolate brown, and I'm just going to coat my entire brush. Now I'm going to be taking this and really buffing it even down to the lash line, and
I guess I can. Oh no, look at this. Lord have mercy on my soul. Okay, let's try to blend this out. If this ends up looking good, then I'm literally gonna cry. But at this point, I'm not so sure.
this lash line and bring that brown all the way into here, and I am just gonna really darken that crease, and then we'll take our blend.
Okay, so brown all over everywhere. Okay, she needs some work, she needs some work. A lot of work. Oh, I brought it too far up. Oh my goodness. Jesus. This is legit how I did my makeup, like, in elementary, or, well, middle school. Except it was all black and it was, really emo. I will, drop a pig, like, right there. Just hit yourself in the face with the brush. Oh, honey.
Use that light shade to add some highlight and really get these smoky eyes flawless. Now it's time to slow down the lower lash line. Now a love letter, and now to make that inner corner really pop up the wetting like brush. And I'm just going to use a little 48-43 brush. And I'm just going to grab some Face Plus, and we're going to spray the brush until it's soaking wet. And I'm going to go back in with Primavera. So I'm just going to take it in my inner corner and just put it right over that. The waterline, we definitely need a newer white liner. I think I'm going to do it again. I've just been such a fan of this. I want to look like something. I got to do it over and over. So this is Honeydew.
Okay, that's actually really pretty. I never used this as like a highlight shade, but it's like not on this side. So there's no way to mess up mascara. Don't have fake eyelashes either. So you know what? I think we're gonna call this look quits because there's no salvaging it, and I successfully failed. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much, and bye.